Yeah, yes, yeah, because today we are celebrating the 70th birthday of the one and the only Tatay Iko. Palakpakan naman siya. Yes, ladies and gents, today is a big celebration of a man whose 70 years of life reflects hard work, faith, and love. And now, let us show our love to him by clapping our hands together as we welcome him in his grand entrance. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Tatay Iko. Grabe naman ang tibay pa rin ang boses si tatay, walang mintis para madami pa po tayo mga chicks na pwedeng mabigyan. Maraming salamat. Paupo na po tayo.